In what should be absolutely no surprise to anybody, that guy right there, Chad Reed, in his first year of eligibility, has been elected to the AMA Motorcycle Hall of Fame. I mean, obviously, there's no surprise here, but we're going to go through some of Chad Reed's Hall of Fame career stats. Technically, you can say that now. Hall of Fame career stats, not just a moniker before, but he has 61 career AMA Supercross and Pro Motocross victories. He is currently 5th on the all-time 450 SX win list. He is one of only 6 riders in history with 40 or more career Premier Class Supercross wins. He has 44. He is the 2002 AMA 125 SS East champion, the 2-time AMA Supercross 450 champion in 04 and 08, and he is the 2009 AMA Pro Motocross 450 champion. He also holds records for the most AMA Supercross main event starts at 265 and podium finishes with 132. This is honestly no surprise to anybody. I mean, the career that he had, the time he raced, the fan base he has, it's pretty easy to consider that this would have been a first ballot choice or first ballot induction, whatever you want to call it. And also including or joining him, I guess is a better way of saying it, Dana Bell, Chris Carter, Colin Edwards, Joe Kopp, K-O-P-P, Cope, and Ryan Young. Now, the induction ceremony will kick off the AMA Hall of Fame days, which is set to run from October 23rd to the 26th, with the actual induction being on Thursday, the 23rd, kicking off a bike night and Hall of Fame museum tour. So if you're around, where is this? The AMA headquarters, wherever that is, Violet Township Event Center. I don't actually know where the AMA town or headquarters is, but if you do, you can comment down below. If you're around, you could go to this. But comment down below. Tell me, were you around when Reed was racing? Are you a fan of Chad Reed or any of the other people who were inducted into the Hall of Fame? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.